The beauty of a Jamaican woman. She swims like a river maid in a pool. Her hair is like fine pearls. Her glimpse is innocent. She likes to sing cultural songs. She looks stylish in any cultural attire. Her hair always suits her features. Her walk is so elegant. Still elegant if her heels are shook. Even more captivated in mishap. She speaks excitedly when mediating. Her skin is smooth like butter. Her skin is lavished with Jamaican aromatic. Her skin shimmers even in the dark. Beautiful skin reflects the Jamaican nature. And stunned her rivals into peace. Her shapely thighs like sweet honey. She speaks highly of owning land. Her aura understands her pets. She dances energetically even at nights. Her headgears are symbols of Jamaica. She knows why it's so. It is another way of beautifying herself. She blesses Jamaica with beautiful songs. She gets pseudonym when socializing. When she's in a house settings. She plays in moonlight at nights. At days she's an angel in the sun. Her colors bring out her prettiness. She gets nostalgia when away. Jamaican legends are her song. When she's welcomed back home, the beautiful Jamaican woman carries her lineage queenly.